Why?
Because they are climbing and talking. Just stand underneath her, make sure she doesn't fall.
Yeah.
She can go back down too. What's up, dude? No, don't. It's funny to watch them climb up and down. Keep going, Aubrey.
Keep going. Keep going. Go on.
That's as far as she gets. And she goes back down.
I'd have her go up. But look at Kate. She's like, here, grab my hand.
She trying to help her. Are you trying to help, sister?
Is that nice? Look, hurry, help her. Help her. Quickly. She's like, come on to my hands. I'll get you. Hurry, Kate, help her. Help her, Kate.
Oh, nice. You guys, that's so dangerous up there.
Go back.
I don't even know what she says. Go back. Back, back, back.
Mom, I'll make him laugh. Hey, where's Abby?